What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about promoted products on eBay.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. Please read the disclaimer. This is my own results, my own product. Can't guarantee results. Obviously, everyone's results are going to be different. This is a auction type of platform, eBay. So let's get into it, guys. All right, so the little pre-frame of the story here. I had a product on Amazon, and it got delisted because of a trademark of some sort. So trying to get rid of these things as fast as I can. I'm not looking to order more. Obviously, there's someone who owns a patent on this particular cup. So I've been waiting to list this thing. I did get it moved out of the Amazon warehouse and into another warehouse. And I've been waiting to list it because I wanted to have like a photographer take my own photos, because I don't, obviously if there's somebody out there that owns this patent, potentially they could, get me on some kind of a copyright infringement. So, risky business here. But I got all my own photos done. I'm going to go ahead and try to move this thing on eBay as fast as I can. I'll show you guys kind of what I'm talking about here. Here is the actual product. This is just Googling it. So cigar whiskey glass. Notice here the sponsored. Okay, that means that's a post that eBay is basically pushing for someone. And then here's one that's not sponsored. Okay, and then if you scroll down, you'll see this is actually my listing. Notice how it's a little bit different with the image, and trying to be a little bit different than all the other posts here. And then I have another post here of a 4-piece, so I'm trying to sell for $49.99. So trying to play around with prices that are a little bit lower than everybody else and give people a little bit more value if they order 4, and just try to move these things as fast as I can, hopefully before anything goes down as far as like a delisting or anything like that would go. And then at that point I might have to move them on some other platform or maybe a liquidation warehouse of some sort. So right now I got about 485 left. I actually sold one today. If you go into I'm in eBay, and this is my back door. Just a couple of things that I've learned the last couple of days, because I don't usually sell on eBay. I'm selling on Amazon. And I've had an eBay account forever. It's been, I've used it to sell like cameras and different stuff over the years, and I think I've bought and sold some stuff on it. But I went to go and did a listing, okay, and apparently my account was like the old version of some sort. And then I went to go do the under here. If you click on my eBay, see where it says selling, or you can just click on sell here, and where it says selling. Well, I went into here to here, and I went to go. Well, actually, it's under. Let's see. Make sure I'm logged in here. I think I am. Yeah. Okay. So if you go under sell, and you go. Okay. So here it is. Before, you should have been able to click on this before. It used to say selling, but now it's changed. It's something they changed on the back door. I called them up. They were like, hey, oh yeah, we got to do this and this on the back end. And so now you click on the sell button, and I actually have this marketing tab. See where it says marketing? That's where you do the promoted post. You can also scroll over here and do. I think there's an overview where you can. There's another button on the left hand side. Notice I sold one today, so actually it does work. It does work. It's definitely working. But the marketing tab is where you want to go to do the promoted post. I kind of came up with a store here, this holiday gift hub. That was one of our Shopify stores of the past, and I had a logo and everything. And it just, we're getting into the Q4 here, and I thought this would be a good name for the store to try to move these. Like I said, I'm not really planning on doing anything as far as eBay goes after I get this product moved. But again, I might use it down the road at some point. See here where it says promoted listings. Okay, now that's where you're going to go ahead and do your like marketing with eBay, so you can give them a little cut to put you as one of these sponsored listings right here, sponsored. Okay, so basically. That's what we're going to do. Okay, I want to show you guys how to do that. Notice it does work. I went ahead and did make one sale today, so we are on the right path. And I haven't done a promoted listing yet for. I haven't done a promoted listing yet for the the 4-pack. So let's do that right now. I saved that for this video so I could show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's go to marketing here, and we're going to do promoted listings. Click on that. Okay. Now keep in mind, I'm not the foremost expert on eBay. I'm not I'm not doing this all that often. So we're going to create a new campaign. Okay. And we're going to select listings individually. If you had a big store with a bunch of different listings, you could do that. But I just have 2 listings right now. A couple other things I did notice when I did call them up, they gave me a kind of like this newer version of eBay. Apparently, I was still on the old version, and now I got this kind of like seller account. I do have a seller limit, so it's like 100 units and $5,000. So originally I put in, I have 485 of these glasses, so I had put in like 485. It wouldn't take it, and then it makes you call a number with some code, and they tell you, hey, listen, by the way, you can't increase your seller limit because I'm not a big seller on here or anything. So once I figured that out, I went ahead and eventually changed the single ones. I think I have like 60 available, and then I have like maybe like 40 available of these 4-packs, and I'm still under the $5,000 limit and under 100 unit limit. Okay, so now once you start moving, I can always go and adjust these quantities and kind of keep it, so I always have inventory, and I should be good to go. So I just got to keep an eye on it as they start moving. So here we go. So this is the let's take a look at what it says here. It says promoted listings is available for most things on eBay except for certain categories and auction items. Okay, so mine is apparently ready to go. It may take 10 minutes to show up after creation if you have a scheduled listing. Okay, so you can actually schedule the listing, it looks like, too. So we're not going to do that. I'm just going to set it up now. So we're going to click on this, and this is where you set. This is really simple, by the way, guys. So once you put up your listing, you basically just click on listing, and then you got to go through a few things and add your listing. It's really not that hard. It takes 10 minutes to do, and then you select the rate here. Now this is where you can actually adjust the rate. Okay, notice if I move it up, the trending rate is 6.5%. That means that other sellers in the similar category are paying eBay 6.5% in their auction type of system. So the more you spend, obviously the more impressions you're going to get, and more action you're going to get on your listing. So obviously this is a $49 piece. So let's do some math here. At 6.5%, it's a pretty good chunk of change that eBay's taken for doing this listing. Okay, so as they sell one of these, they get 49.99 times point, let's say 0.68. You're getting $3.40 to sell this for us. Okay, which I guess isn't all that bad. I'm throwing in free shipping with this as well. Like I said, if I can somehow get pay eBay, get the shipping, and be out the door for around $10 a glass, I think I'm doing okay, considering I really don't. At this point, I just want to get rid of these things and hopefully, break even a little bit more than break even. I'll do a full case study on this thing once I move them all, and I'll break down all the costs and what I actually made or lost. I don't think I'm going to lose. At the end of the day, I'll probably end up making a little bit, but it's not going to be a ton. Unfortunately, if this wouldn't have got delisted at Amazon, this product was doing really well for me on Amazon for FBA, and it is what it is. So the trending rate is 6.5, so let's just go to 6.8. Okay, we're going to go a little bit above the trending rate. I want to move these things. It is going into the holiday season, and this is a nice 4-pack of this particular cigar whiskey glass. I think it'll make a nice gift for fathers or uncles or whatever. It's under $50, basically, and it's a nice, cool, unique type of thing that most people aren't going to have in their cabinet. So for the whiskey drinker and cigar smoker, this is like a perfect little gift, reasonably priced. So let's go ahead and do that, and then pretty much all you do is click this review. Basically, you give the eBay the money that they're looking for, and give it a second here. It looks like there we go. Okay, and name your campaign. I'm going to do this whiskey glass 4 pieces. Okay. And let's see, there gives us some more options here. So this is basically just saying it's sponsored. Here's where you can start and end date it. Okay, I'm going to just continue it, and we're going to start it today. So that's pretty simple. I mean, literally, look at how simple this is, guys. One, select your listing. Two, set your ad rate and launch this thing. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. I mean, this is like as easy as it goes. You got to check the box here to agree to the terms and service, but that's already checked for you. Literally like 3 buttons and you are live. Okay. So that's it. I mean, boom. Okay. So here's my, impressions. I've gotten 70 impressions. This is my campaign that I'm running. I started my one-piece whiskey glass campaign yesterday, and again, I sold one today. So it's working. That's obviously working. So here's let's take a look at the sales report here. And this must be just for this particular campaign that just launched. So let's go to Seller Hub, and let's do marketing. Let's do summary here. This should show both of them. All right, so we have promoted listings. All right, promoted listings 2. Here they are. All right, there we go. So yeah, we've had one sale, and yeah. Well, this thing shows no sold, but there has definitely been one sale here. Okay, here we go. So just playing around with this thing. There's my $16.99. Now, so what happened was, it looks like to me is that we've had 70 impressions, 1 click, and none sold on the campaign. Okay, so that means that somebody actually went on the organic listing here, scrolled down, and bought this thing without having to be sponsored. Okay, because I have this listed organically as a listing, and then I'm also running the sponsored. Okay, so somebody scrolled all the way down and saw this picture and bought it. I tried to stand out a little bit with this picture. I mean, this is one of the tricks of the trade of affiliate marketing. You want to be a little bit different. So I had my buddy who's a professional photographer. I gave him one of the glasses. I said, go get a bottle of bourbon and a cigar and take me some nice pictures. So let's see what these look like. This is a nice little lesson for you guys here of kind of getting your own images done. Take a look at these images. I mean, they look nice. I mean, these are professional grade images. I mean, you can scroll over them. You know, these are my own images. I paid for these images. I own these images. I own the rights to these images. I could technically, if I find somebody that grabs these images and starts using them, I could get them for copyright, because I did pay for these images and they're custom done for me. So I did it. These are professional images. This is what you want to do. So this stands out to me. This stands out, and obviously it's working because again, I sold one organically today. So that's my first one. So let's take a look here. Yeah, see, I had 59. Now I have 69. I had 60 available. Now I have 59. So I've sold one today. Okay. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated on this particular campaign in eBay. But I mean, as far as doing the promoted sponsored listing, whatever you want to call it, it really doesn't get any easier. I mean, literally, you got to press a button 3 different times, and you're in business. You can schedule it, whatever. But this is kind of a new feature on eBay. A lot of people don't even know you can do this. I will do another video here very soon. I just set up a PPC campaign on Amazon, and I'll show you guys how to do that as well from start to finish, so you can get that as well. And other than that, hopefully you guys learned something today, man. I really am trying to bring you guys a lot of stuff that I'm learning. Obviously, I'm not a eBay guru by any means. I'm not trying to be, but when it comes to stuff like this will be a handy video for somebody that's completely new to, I do affiliate marketing. Let's check in on the affiliate campaign here, right here. I'll show you guys where we're at. I think you guys will like this one. So here's the affiliate campaign. Here we go. Boom. Where are we at for the month? All right. So this is where we're at for the current week. So far for the month, let's just end it on October 30th. Last week was a pretty good week for us. We did 53,475, 32,778, plus 13,558, plus 6,510, $106,000 in a month, guys. Not a bad month. Not a bad month. That is over $1 million a year if we can keep this up. Ironically, we have another ClickBank account here. I'm going to log into that one over here. Log out of this one. And we just hit another freaking campaign. How about that? Let's take a look at where we're at. So right now on this ClickBank account, we are running at, this is one of my other accounts. We are running, obviously this is yesterday and today. We broke 2K yesterday. And we spent $900 to get that 2,100. So we're over 100% ROI on this. So I do know affiliate marketing. I do understand that game, and we are crushing it right now between the two ClickBank accounts. And I do have another offer that's about ready to pop on a different ad network too. So I am working on my my course for you guys. I know I've had a lot of people ask me about the affiliate marketing. They really want to know, get down to the nitty gritty here. Obviously, this is like top of the food chain information here. I'm not going to just go ahead and put this out on my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, this is stuff that we've spent a lot of money to figure out and a lot of time. And I have a staff of 4 full-time media buyers right now that are all making money. So, I'm going to go ahead and put together a real nice structured type of program, how we're doing it, what we're doing, and everything that's involved with affiliate marketing and the stuff that we're running to show you guys, like, how to make this reality for yourself. Okay, because it's really not there. It's not easy, but it's not hard. There's just a lot of things you got to understand and do. There's a lot of psychology involved. So we teach all that, and we'll give you guys the nitty gritty in the course that we're gonna have coming out here probably in the next 30 days. Okay, hopefully I can get some time. Like today was a zoo. I was supposed to be at the World CryptoCon, didn't even make it. We got campaigns running. I got media buyers hitting me up with this. I got a Shopify store I'm trying to get launched before the Christmas season. I got this eBay project I'm working on. It's like one thing after the other. It's crazy what's going on over here, but I am definitely making some progress. We are making money, so that's a good thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today. I didn't mean to ramble on there at the end, but I thought it'd be good to show everyone out there. If you guys did learn something today, I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video. Go ahead and leave me a comment below if you have anything you want me to try out on eBay. I'd be happy to. I'm sure there's somebody out there that's been selling on eBay for a while that's watching this, might be able to give me some pointers on how to move this product as fast as I can before I get in any kind of trouble moving this copyrighted or patented product. But I want to get it moved, get it out of my hair, and hopefully on to the next one. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and go ahead and hit the like button, bang the notifications bell. I am the marketing guru. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.